to all the students to conduct various academic activities. All the faculties are here to inculcate the passion among the students through information and communication technology, industrial exposures, and scientific projects. I believe you all will not regret anything and will have an amazing experience with this institute and the department. Now, I request all the students to introduce yourself one by one. I will call upon your name, put on your mic and the video, tell your name, where are you from, academic qualifications and aim. So first one is Pawan Dongre. Please go ahead and introduce yourself.
Myself Pawan Dongre. I am from Nagpur.
You have to tell your name, where are you from, academic qualifications and aim. Please go ahead, Pawan.
My qualification is BSc PCM.
Okay, thank you. Next is Keshav Bhagat.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Keshav Kodu Bhagat. I have completed my graduation from Santaji Mahavidyalaya and I got 76.48% in BSc and I interested in research.
Thank you. Next is Surbhi Jaganwar. Surbhi. Okay. Next one is Viplav Dhokpe.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Viplav Dhokpe. I'm from Nagpur and I've completed my BSc PCM from St. George College and my aim is to become a professor in physics.
Good. Viplav. Next is Maithili Bogre. Maithili Bogre. Okay. Next is Pinky Khotele. Pinky Khotele.
सर चालू करू शकता.
Okay. Next is Sanjana Laddad.
Good morning. My name is Sanjana Laddad. I'm from Nagpur. I have done my bachelor's in science from Dr. Ambedkar College and have scored 70%.
Okay, thank you. Next is Bhakti Thakre.
Hi, I am Bhakti Thakre and I have completed BSc PCM from Mohta Science College.
Next is Pallavi Khadse. Pallavi Khadse.
BSc PCM in Progress Science. I got 70.07%.
Okay. Next is Mansi Sabne.
Hello, my name is Manasi Sabne. I did my bachelor's from Dr. Ambedkar College, Nagpur. My major subjects were physics, chemistry, and mathematics. I wish to become a physics professor. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, students, for introduction. Now, I would like to introduce you all our teaching faculties of the department. So, first one, I would like to introduce our next faculty, our faculty assistant professor, Dr. Gajanand Jadhav sir. He has participated in many national and international conferences. His research work has been published in many journals. He has over 7 years of teaching experience. It's my honor to request you, sir, please address the gathering. Dr. Sir, Gajanand Jadhav sir.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Before I start, I pay my humble homage to Founder President of Sri Shivaji Education Society, Amravati, Dr. Bhausar Deshmukh, who has planted such a big educational banyan tree under the shade of which we all are growing and blooming. Today, we all are gathered here through this online platform for the student induction program. Today we have with us Honorable Principal Sir, Professor M.P. Dhore Sir, Honorable Guest Speaker Dr. Sunil Pandey Sir, Honorable Head of the Department of Physics, Professor S.W. Anwane Sir, my colleague Dr. Rahiri Chokne Ma'am, MSc Coordinator, Mr. Ruchir Kumar Sir, Isha Ma'am, and all other colleagues and my dear students. First of all, I welcome you all who have been taken an admission for the course of Master of Science in the subject of physics. Our Science College, Congress Nagar, Nagpur is run by the Sri Srivaji Education Society, Amravati. I'm Dr. Gajanan Zadav, working as an assistant professor in this Department of Physics. I'm heading 2 portfolios of Science College Administrative Assistant Committees under the guidance of Honorable Principal Sir. I'm working as a convener for Publicity and Digitalization Committee and Value Education and Extension Activity. I'm also working as a convener under the chairmanship of Honorable Principal Sir of Internal Committee for Provision of Rights of Persons with Disability Act 2016. Along with, I'm leading Departmental Council as well under the guidance of Honorable Head of the Department, Professor S.W. Anwane Sir. I heartily welcome you all for being the part of this college, this institution. It's truly an amazing experience to be part of this Shiv family. This is the institution whose pillars are concreted by the ideological, educational, and social values, which has been taught and set by the founder president, Dr. Bhausar Deshmukh. Since last 1.5 years, whole world is facing a pandemic. It's been truly a very terrible experience of this pandemic. Hope you all are happy, healthy, and safe. I request those who did not get vaccination, please go on your turn and get vaccinated as soon as possible. The reason for the student induction program is for getting student oriented and acquainted to the department, departmental activities and authorities, where students are getting interface between the faculty members, department and the institution. The students get oriented and their academic and non-academic needs are taken care of. To motivate your academic and non-academic needs, and then to facilitate and participate and then focus into what your area of interest is at the top priority of this college and hence the Department of Physics. Being part of this department, I myself improving day by day, year after year. We also expect valuable contributions, support and encouragement from the student as well. You know, induction program is very important when you go to a new people, when you go to new institution, college, what is to be done, how it is oriented and where it is located. So to know all these things, induction program plays an important role. I really appreciate and would like to thank to our head of the department and Honorable Principal Sir for guiding us and giving such a wonderful experience every year. Thank you so much, sir. I already mentioned that to motivate your academic and non-academic needs and then to facilitate and participate and then focus into what your area of interest is at the top priority. So in view of your academic need today, to motivate you all, we have with us Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Sunil Pandey sir. I assure you that this student induction program will take you through a valuable experience and will be so much informative and will help you to get oriented towards the departmental activities. It is very well said that desire is the key to motivation, but it's determination and commitment to an unrelenting pursuit of your goal, a commitment to excellence that will enable you to attain the success you seek. Productivity is not an accident. Thank you so much and all the best, students.
Thank you so much, sir. That was indeed inspiring, motivating, and very informative. Even everyone needs to get vaccinated. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Now, I would like to introduce our next faculty, Assistant Professor Dr. Ruchir Kumar, sir. He did MSc in Physics from VNIT. He is the MSc coordinator of our department. He has participated in many national and international conferences. He has 5 years of teaching experience. He is well known for his patient and helping nature. Now I request Dr. Ruchir Kumar sir to say a few words. Dr. Ruchir Kumar sir.
Good morning, everyone. I think I have met with all of you at the time of admission. And today, first of all, I welcome all the guests on the behalf of Department of Physics, Sunil Pandey sir, our principal, MP Dhoye sir, and our HOD, SW Anwan sir. This MSc program, we are having culture from last few years that in this MSc program, we are having, apart from curriculum, we are having student development activities in which students are taking part in various activities like having some tools, okay, so that they can enhance their capabilities. Students participate in many conferences, workshops, seminars, so that they can develop their skills apart from their curricular activities. From last few years, we are continuously participating in Raman Innovation Festival, the innovation festival which is been conducted by Nagpur University. Okay, and last year we have bagged few prizes also. So this is the journey of a student to participate in such activity and get their moral boosted. The main purpose of this, that when you are studying your curriculum, okay, it is easy to have studied with some books and whatever the teachers taught you, and to qualify exam. But when you have to develop yourself, you have to struggle with few things. You have to develop yourself with your thinking capabilities, and to enhance that, we are continuously into that race. So a line which I want to tell you, नजरों में ख्वाबों की बिजलियां लेके चले रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तू. So on this note, I welcome you all students, and we think that your 2 years will be very wonderful. You will have a lot of experiences, you will have a lot of achievements apart from your academics. So I welcome you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Yeah, indeed, sir, students have to participate in many science-related projects and all the workshops. Actually, our department offers a platform to all the students to conduct all the various academic activities. And we, all the faculties are here, students, to inculcate the passion among you all. So, yeah, take an advantage of all that things. Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would like to introduce our next faculty, Assistant Professor, Dr. Ragini Dhokre. She has published 13 papers in many journals. She has been granted with 1 Indian patent. She has a total 15 years of teaching experience. Moreover, she has done NPTEL online certificate courses on structural analysis of nanomaterials, experimental physics 1 and 2. One student has been awarded PhD under her research guidance. She has been a wonderful personality and a very helping nature. Thank you so much, sir. So next we have 4 CHB and 3 ad hoc basis faculties in our department. So I would like to introduce our Assistant Professor CHB, that is Dr. Swapnil Pote sir. His research work has been published in many journals. He has participated in many national, international conferences. He got an international travel grant and research fellowship by DST, Government of India. He has a total 11 years of teaching experience and 3 years of research experience. Sir is well known for his amazing teaching quality. Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to introduce our next faculty, Assistant Professor CHB, Mr. Chaitanya Gajbhia sir. Chaitanya sir did his PhD from Ferguson College, Pune. Sir has qualified SET and GATE examinations. Apart from his academic qualifications, he has represented RTMNU 2 times in All India Inter-University Fencing Championship Games and has won bronze medal in fencing. Thank you so much, sir. Next, I would like to introduce our next faculty, Assistant Professor CHB, Mr. Amit Mishram sir. Amit sir did his PhD from Ferguson College, Pune. Sir has qualified SET and GATE examinations. He did many projects during his PhD, and one of the main projects is study in variable star. Thank you so much, sir. I would like to introduce our next faculty, Assistant Professor CHB, Mr. Dr. Meenakshi Ghate ma'am. She has published her work in many national and international journals. She has participated in many national and international conferences. She has a total 8 years of teaching experience. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, I would like to introduce our next faculty, Assistant Professor ad hoc, Mr. Yashpal Pawar sir. He did his post-graduation from Shivaji Science College, Nagpur. He did many projects, and one of the main projects is automation of physics experiments using Arduino Uno board. He has a total 2 years of teaching experience. He is well known for his amazing teaching quality. I request Yashpal Pawar sir to say a few words.
Hello everyone. Good morning, respected teachers and dear students. Dear first year students, I welcome you all in this department, and I would like to congratulate you for choosing MSc and joining this department. Now you are in MSc, so you should have some different attitude in this stage. Your attitude should not be just to pass the examinations. I assure that you will definitely pass the examination. After 2 years, you will have MSc degree. But with that, you should have some different skills, and you should have good knowledge of your subject. So I think you should work on these things instead of just focusing on examinations. Swami Vivekananda has said that about education basis, we want that education by which character is formed, strength of mind is increased, and intellect is expanded. So we must think about it, that whatever the education we are taking, is it really helping us to form our character, to increase the strength of your mind, and to expand our intellect. So think accordingly. And if you face any difficulty, we all are here to help you. You can contact us. And dear second year student, we know through which situation you are going. We can understand you. The whole year went, your first year has completed, and you couldn't come to college. You couldn't properly interact with your faculty members, and even with your students, even with your classmates and friends. So it's not a small thing, but what can we do? We all are helpless. So whatever the situation is, you should focus on your goals, and that's it. If you face any difficulty, then you can contact us. We all are here to help you. The department will definitely help you to achieving your goals, and wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Yeah, yes, sir. Instead of only reading for the examinations point of view, all the subject matter is very much important. All the information should get inculcated in your mind. Then only you can write in any exam or you can crack any exam, right? Yes, thank you so much for the information. Now, I would like to introduce our next faculty, Assistant Professor ad hoc, Ms. Roshni Pahuja ma'am. She did her post-graduation from RT Menu Nagpur University. She was a college topper in her graduation and has been awarded with 3 gold medals in graduation. She is well known for her amazing teaching quality. Thank you so much, ma'am. Next is me, that is Assistant Professor ad hoc, Ms. Isha Sunil Kapte. I have completed my BSc from Government Institute of Science, Nagpur. I have completed my MSc from VIT University, Vellore, Tamil Nadu. I was the 3rd rank holder of my university. Apart from this, I had presented my work in 4 international conferences. One of my research work has been published in an international journal, and other papers has been communicated. And yeah, from the last year, I'm here serving as an ad hoc faculty at the department. So for the first year students, first year batch, I'll be taking your practicals and projects for this semester. So get ready, from Monday we'll start with all the project ideas. Come up with your some good and unique ideas, and we'll get started with the semester. Yeah, that's it. So next, I will invite all the students. Next, you have to give your introduction, all the remaining students. Shraddha Varbe, please go ahead and introduce yourself.
My name is Shraddha Sanjay Varbe. I am from Takalghat village. I have done my BSc graduation in Santaji Mahavidyalaya, Nagpur. I have got 70%.
Okay. Ankita Fulchele.
Hello, myself Ankita Fuljale. I'm from Buttibori and I am completed my graduation from Santaji Mahavidyalaya in PCSM group. Thank you.
Shivani Borade. Shivani Borade.
Shivaji Sanjay Borade. I'm from RV. I completed my graduation from Art Commerce Science College RV. I got 68%.
Okay. Sania Turak. Sania Turak. Okay. Next is Deepak Vaidya.
My name is Deepak Vaidya. I have completed my graduation in D.D. Boyer College, Mouda.
Okay. Next is Shweta Iyer.
Yes, I have completed my PhD in Physics, Computer Science and Maths from SFS College, Punjab. Thank you.
Thank you. Vaishnavi Zharke.
My name is Vaishnavi Jharki. I had pursued my BSc education from Samartha Mahavidyalaya, Lakshmi, and my percentage are 67.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. Next is Bhushan Dange.
Hi, I am Bhushan Kishore Dange from Vartha district, Gadchiroli. I completed my BSc from Ferguson College, Pune.
Okay. Thank you, all the students. Now, it's my immense pleasure to introduce you all our honorable chief guest, Dr. Sunil Pandey sir. Sir had been professor and a head of Department of Physics of Sri Ramdev Baba College of Engineering. He had completed his PhD from Nagpur University in 1998. He has worked as a lecturer in physics in Shivaji Science College in 1982. He has about 38 years of teaching experience in UG and PG courses and a research experience of more than 20 years. He has been a PhD supervisor at RTMNU, Nagpur University, Solid State INX. He had participated in many national and international conferences. During COVID-19 pandemic, he developed sample courses at online course design and development by HRDC, University of Hyderabad. He has co-authored textbook on applied physics published by Universities Press. He has been paper setter of MPSC examinations for 2 years. He has been chairman of Board of Studies in Applied Sciences and Humanities. He has been known for coordinating and delivering lectures to AIEEE and JEE aspirant students at RCOEM Nagpur. It's my honor to welcome such a great personality, sir. Sir, I request now to please address the gathering.
Yeah, hello everyone. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
it is a great pleasure, and I must congratulate you all for joining such a prestigious college, Shivaji Science College. It is in my heart for long time, and I actually taught at Shivaji Science in the year 1982-83, and then turned to this engineering college, and for about 38 years I have been in this profession. And first of all, I would like to congratulate you all for joining this MSc Physics course. There is one thing I would like to share with you, is that there are hundreds of possible MSc courses. Elsewhere, there are many opportunities at the undergraduate level, your postgraduate level, your minors, majors, and whatnot. So why study physics? And the answer is this, that physics is really interesting. It will help you understand how the world around us works, right from the can openers, light bulbs, cell phones, to muscles, lungs and brains, from earthquakes, tsunamis and hurricanes to quarks, DNA and black holes. So whatnot, you can do anything by learning this great subject. Fundamentally, it deals with some fundamental ideas, some laws, and it will help you see the connection between seemingly disparate phenomena. So phenomena which offer some anomalies, etc., or phenomena which cannot be understood otherwise. So you can be able to grasp those things and understand the basics of the whole thing by learning physics. What is important is that when you join in as the MSc first year student in this prestigious college, I have few things to advise. First and foremost is you must learn to assume a strict attitude in the class. I repeat, you must learn to assume a strict attitude. So strict attitude means you should be having a very fair, open mind, and you must learn to ask questions in the class whenever you find that certain things are not intelligible, certain things are not very clear to you. Then you should have courage and boldness to ask the questions. So do away with all fear. All right. Important thing is you must learn to discuss the concepts amongst yourselves. These are the few tips I would like to offer to you, that you must learn to discuss the ideas which are taught to you, the ideas which are grasped by you. So try to discuss those ideas within the group. That is most important thing. And important thing is that there are few things which you will not be able to understand at some point of time. Each one of you, whosoever joins in as MSc first year student, then there are few things you are likely to encounter where you feel that, well, you have not understood a particular thing. Then have that courage and boldness to state that you have not understood. So it will be clear to the teacher and he can elaborate on that particular idea. Then most important thing is you must learn to think, and that is very, very important for you to succeed in life. You must learn to think, have an open mind. So these are few tips from my side, and I wish everyone very, very good luck and have a wonderful and successful career. Thank you so much.
As Sir mentioned, we should get into the basics of everything in physics. Yeah, not only studying for the examination point of view, we should get all the basics of the physics, as we are the students of physics, right? So you all should have courage and discuss, and have the courage to discuss the concept with your group and your teachers as well. And you can take this point from our MSc second year students, your seniors itself, because your seniors are very much good students. They usually ask many questions during the classes, and they are very much into the class, and they have that courage to discuss with the teachers. So at this point, you should take it from your seniors. Are you getting MSc first year students, right? So thank you so much, sir, for your encouraging words.
Yeah, thank you so much.
It's been truly motivating and helpful for all the overall betterment of the students, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Yeah, may I have another please?
Yes, sir.
I'm really thankful to Dr. Shah Manwani for giving me this opportunity to interact with you. And there will be many moments in your stay at Shivaji Science College where some interaction is possible with you, and it will be really my privilege to interact with you. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. It's really good to see, sir. You friends are here, Shampan sir and you. And yeah, thank you so much, sir. We are expecting you
Thank
to be
you.
coming over here and
Yeah,
motivating
yeah.
all the students and all the faculties.
My pleasure. My
Yeah,
pleasure.
sir.
My pleasure. Yeah.
So it's our pleasure too. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, I would like to take a privilege to introduce such a huge personality, Dr. Shamkant Nanwani, Professor and Head of the Department, Physics. During his PhD, he bagged prestigious Senior Research Fellowship twice by CSIR. He has visited many international universities, that is National University of Singapore, Lisbon Institute of Technology, Turkey, Stony Brook Institute University, New York, USA, on different academic assignments. He has participated in about 4 dozen conferences. He was selected by MPSC for a faculty position in applied physics to serve at Government Engineering College. To reach students at large, he wrote 4 books. He has contributed many chapters in many research books. Presently, he is running a UGC-sponsored career-oriented course, Mathematical Modeling using Maple. He is nominated on the board of ambassadors by Maplesoft. He has started a YouTube channel where he uploads lectures on various topics. Presently, 4 students are working for PhD under his supervision, and 2 of them have submitted to the university. He has a total 22 years of teaching experience. A personality who had been throughout the betterment of the department, I request HOD Sir Dr. Nanwani to address the gathering.
Thank you, Isha.
Thank you, sir.
I remember the great Maratha warrior, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and I pay humble homage to the founder president of Shivaji Education Society, Dr. Punjab Rao Deshmukh, principal of our college, Professor Mahendra Dhore, chief guest of today's student induction program, my friend, philosopher and guide, Professor Sunil Pandey, my colleagues, students of this department. It's a great pleasure, Sunil sir, to have you in this program. Professor Sunil Pandey, I met him sometime in 1992-93, and then we had a foreign travel together to National University of Singapore, and he is a very good friend, he is elder brother to me. As a head of physics department, I welcome all students, all newly inducted students to this department and to this esteemed college. I would like to congratulate you all for choosing Shivaji Science College for undertaking further studies. This college is run by Shivaji Education Society. You came to know from a couple of speakers. And this has been founded by the first agriculture minister, late Bhausaheb Deshmukh, in 1931-32. This Shivaji Society was formulated in 1931-32, and this college was established in 1967. I am the 3rd generation teacher working here since past 18 years. Now I would like to introduce you to the few things regarding to the students induction program. Our college is affiliated to RDM Nagpur University, you all know very well, which is an autonomous body but bears regulation from University Grants Commission. Soon after the independence, University Education Commission was set up in 1948 under the chairmanship of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, and in 1952, Union government decided that all cases pertaining to the allocation of grants and public funds to central universities and other universities and institutions of higher learning might be referred to the University Grants Commission. Consequently, University Grants Commission was formally inaugurated in 1953 by late Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, the then education minister. The UGC was formally established in November 1956 as a statutory body of Government of India through an Act of Parliament for coordination, determination, maintenance of standards of university education in India. In the recent past, UGC mentioned in its report that about 3.5 crore students are undergoing higher education under its umbrella. The diverse education to the phenomenal number of students is through 48 central universities, 126 deemed universities, 399 state universities, and 334 state private universities. Students, we fall under those 399 state universities, and this is a semi-government college which is amongst 7,000 grant-in-aid colleges in Maharashtra against 40,000 colleges in the country. Our principal is Dr. M.P. Dhore. Vice Chancellor of RTM Nagpur University is Professor Subhash Chaudhary. Dr. D.P. Singh is Chairman of UGC, which falls under Ministry of HRD headed by the Cabinet Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan has taken charge in July 2021 in Narendra Modi's government. To maintain standards of higher education and to maintain quality and enhance quality, NAC, National Accreditation and National Assessment and Accreditation Council, is playing an important role in awarding grades to the colleges. NAC was formulated in 1994 that works towards the vision to make quality the defining element in higher education. NAC has assessed our college through 3 cycles. We are into the 3rd cycle, and in the 3rd cycle, the college is bestowed with A+ grade with CGPA 3.51 on 4-point scale. UGC in its meeting held in 2018 approved 5-point objective known as quality mandate for improving quality in higher education. And one of the quality mandate is to conduct students induction program. This students induction program is designed to cover 4 facets that is known as socializing, associating, governing, and experiencing. You can call that as SAGE. Socializing means students' interaction with peers, students' interaction with senior students and teachers, and eminent guest speakers. Associating is by visiting all departmental facilities, libraries, sports, garden, etc. But due to COVID pandemic, presently the situation is that students are not allowed in the college premises and whole activity is online. Once the colleges will begin for physical activities, you will be able to experience that. Governing by understanding rules and regulation and student support, experiencing every stakeholder and infrastructure on campus, conducting physical and cultural activities. So here, while studying physics, while being student of science, we are less attracted to the basic definition of education. And I would read a couple of definitions for you. Education is manifestation of perfection already in. We want an education that builds character, increases strength of mind, expands the intellect, which equips a person to stand on his feet. The purpose of education is to understand reality as it is. The school education is to know what is known. And you are a student of higher education, and the purpose of higher education is to generate knowledge and apply knowledge. In addition to this, we are observing parallel education also. Along with undergoing UG programs, you should gain some skills that can propel your professional life. To empower skill-based education, the college is running career-oriented courses which will be informed to you later on. Whereas I would like to mention that the physics department is running a career-oriented course, mathematical modeling using MAPL. The MHRD initiated SWAYAM program through various national coordinators and NPTEL program, that is National Program for Technology Enhanced Learning, is a project of 7 IITs where we all can register and learn. MOOCs, massive open online course like IIT Bombay X, you can shape your skills and make yourself competent. Coursera and Udemy are the international massive open online course providers aimed at professional adults, students to learn from the MOOCs. The educational scenario is undergoing a radical change, and you have to adapt the changes and mutate to sail through a successful life. Our physics department is second largest department in the college. The department is committed to cater the needs of about 450 undergraduate students and 44 PG students. And 10 PhD students are also working in the department. The teachers of the department, since last 54 years in their journey, have written about more than 50 books and published more than 100 research papers. The excellent results is also into the tradition of the department. The department has privilege of hosting conferences on national and international level also. The physics department is one of the beneficiary department under the CPE UGC scheme, College with Potential for Excellence. This has made us quite rich in terms of the laboratory facilities and the other developments. In year 2011-12, the college has commenced MSc Physics course, while in 2014-15, the department was recognized as Center for Higher Learning and was permitted to register students leading to PhD degree by RTM Nagpur University. The department is running a UGC sponsored add-on course, as I told you, mathematical modeling using MAPL. The faculty members of the department are active in research. It is recognized by UGC, two major research projects have been completed by the faculty members of the department, and 3 minor research projects total worth 25 lakhs have been backed by the faculty members for the development of the department. I hope that you will have a wonderful learning experience, and the professors here will give you a task that will make you learn more. With these words, I conclude, and I once again welcome the new students to this department. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, your articulate words has always been inspiring for us. And indeed, sir, all the students will have an amazing experience in our department. So thank you so much, sir. That was indeed motivating and extremely informative. Thank you. It's my immense pleasure to introduce you all Principal of Sri Shivaji Science College, Nagpur, Dr. Mahendra Dhore, sir. 5 students has been awarded PhD and 3 students are working under his research guidance. He has published 41 papers in international journals. He is a NAAC assessor. He is a member of Academic Council RTM. Moreover, he is a member of IEEE and an international editorial board member of IISEN. He has been ex-member of board of RT Menu Nagpur. He has attended many national and international conferences. It's my honor to welcome our principal, sir. I request sir to address the gathering.
Thank you, madam. Firstly, I pay my homage to the founder president of Sri Shivaji Education Society, Dr. Panjabrao Alais Bhausaheb Deshmukh. I also pay my homage to the great saint Rashtrasanta Tukaroji Maharaj, after whom our Nagpur University is named. Today's chief guest of this student induction program of MSc Physics of a department of our college, Professor Sunil Pandey sir, ex-head of the Department of Physics, one of the best engineering colleges from Central India, Ramdev Baba College of Engineering. I am the head of the department, Professor Shamkant Anwane, Dr. Jadhav from the Department of Physics, Dr. Mrs. Dhokne, Dr. Ruchir Kumar, Dr. Swapnil Pote, all other ad hoc faculties, CSB faculties, contributory faculties, and my dear students of Physics department. A very good afternoon to all. This is the first program in Physics department which is being conducted in this academic session 21-22, and obviously the first program is of student induction program for PG students. So I take this opportunity to welcome all the newly inducted students of MSc Physics. Welcome you all. I am very happy that the Department of Physics has organized this student induction program to introduce with the students, and accordingly the students of the department gets introduced with the department, departmental staff members, non-teaching staff members, and our fellow students. In fact, this program happens to be offline, but due to this pandemic situation, we are forced to conduct this student induction program in online mode. But still, I congratulate Professor Anwane and his team for nicely organizing this student induction program for MSc Physics students. At the same time, I am very much thankful to Professor Sunil Pandey sir, as he has accepted our invitation to address our students in the induction program. And sir, I am very happy to know that you were part and parcel of this college. You were working as a faculty of this Physics department in this college during the year 82-83.
I am honored, sir. I am honored. Yeah.
So it was a great pleasure for all of us to host you today. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation. Secondly, as far as the Department of Physics and as far as the Shivaji Science is concerned, our teachers have already mentioned and specified the history of the college since 1967. Recently, 4 years back, we celebrated our golden jubilee of the college in 2017. The Department of Physics is having a rich history, rich tradition. The Department of Physics had a galaxy of professors since its inception. Here I would like to mention the contributions made by Professor Kale, Professor Dharmadhikari, Professor Khobragade, Professor Khade. So we had a luminary in the Department of Physics, and their efforts have contributed a lot to the glory of this department and of this college. So as Professor Anwane has said that this is second largest department in the college, he has mentioned that the department is having nearly 450 students undergoing UG course, 40 students undergoing PG course, and we do have also a research center in our physics department. Few students are working in our research center leading to the degree, PhD degree in physics. So I appeal the newly inducted students to get to know the department well. You should know your staff members, you should know your college, and you should be aware of the facilities which are available in our department also. Ours is one of the finest departments of physics in our Nagpur University region. Probably Professor Anwane has not mentioned some of the facilities of the physics departments which we have. We are having the state-of-the-art instruments which have been procured with the CPE grants from UGC in our department. So I take this opportunity to appeal all the students of the physics department to make best use of these facilities which are available in our physics department. Make use of our rich library. Our knowledge resource center is very rich in terms of books. Even though if you come across some books which are not available in our library, the students are free to recommend those books through their head, and accordingly those books which are not in our library can be procured at the earliest in our library. So all the students are advised to follow the discipline of the department. I would like to mention here that the Department of Physics is one of the most disciplined department in my college. So all the students are required to follow the discipline of the department as well as the discipline of the college too. So as far as the academics is concerned, as Professor Anwane has rightly said that the college runs some career-oriented courses in the department. Similarly, the staff members also facilitate and encourage the students to carry out various SWAYAM courses, MOOC courses or NPTEL courses so that the students can enrich themselves as far as the academics is concerned. We at Shivaji Science College believe in developing the academic as well as overall all-round development of the students. Here we give many opportunities to the students as far as the extracurricular activities are concerned. And similarly, we also promote the participation of students in various social activities also. So I appeal the students who are newly inducted in this college, in this department, to make maximum use of the facilities available in the college, in the department, and be a proud students of Shivaji Science College, Nagpur. So as you have been admitted to Shivaji Science College, the responsibility is more on your side, and in the society we need to represent the highly sought after college, the Sri Shivaji Science College, Nagpur. It is having its own identity. I would say it has become a brand in academic fraternity of Nagpur. So we are to maintain the dignity being a student of this Shivaji Science College. So with these words, I once again welcome all the students of MSc Physics. I also thank Professor Pandey sir for having accepted our invitation and addressing our students. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Physics department is indeed the most disciplined department. Thank you so much, sir, for your kind and encouraging words.
Isha, I would like to interrupt you.
Yes,
I
sir.
want to take correction from our principal, sir. And I
Yes, sir.
really want to mention that we have a state-of-the-art laboratory which we are calling Sophisticated Instrumentation Laboratory, SIL. And in this laboratory, we have some major equipments. I will tell the name of those equipments at this point. Professor Sunil Pandey sir will also appreciate that and can come down sometime, and we can think some research activity also. We have FTIR, Fourier transformed infrared spectroscopy unit, Bruker make. Then we have spectrofluorophotometer worth 10 lakhs rupees, and the impedance analyzer worth 15 lakhs rupees, and UV visible spectrophotometer. So these are the instruments we have, and I would like students also to know this. And this laboratory facility you have to use for your MSc practicals as well for projects. And before closing, I would like to mention that sometime in Physics Society we will invite Professor Sunil Pandey sir. If it works for offline, it will be wonderful, and if online, we will go ahead with that. So thank you.
Yes, sir, totally.
Thank you,
Thank you
Dr.
so much, sir.
Yeah.
On behalf of my department, I extend a hearty vote of thanks to our guest of honor, Dr. Sunil Pandey, who spared time from his busy schedule to grace the program. I would like to thank our principal sir for motivating all the students. I may like to express our sincere thanks to HOD Dr. Anmani sir for inspiring all the students. I express my gratitude towards all the faculties for their motivating speech and who have helped me either directly or indirectly to make the program successful. And the last but not least, thanks to all the students for maintaining the decorum and attending this program. Thank you. Your classes are going to commence from Monday, and I believe you will not regret anything, and will have an amazing experience being in this institute and the department. I, Isha Kapte, take your leave. Till then, take care and stay safe. Thank you.
So Isha, thank you very much for wonderful conduction of the program, and
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
आणि
Yes, sir.
डोरे सरांना नमस्कार.
नमस्कार सर.
नमस्कार.
सर, आमच्या कॉलेजला भेट द्या पुन्हा एकदा.
जरूर सर. म्हणजे इट विल बी अ प्रिव्हिलेज फॉर मी टू visit the college. Yeah. And I feel so attached to the college, you know. I feel so attached. And Sham is very good friend. He is like a younger brother to me.
Yes.
And
Yes, sir.
yeah. And we always, make discussions on some topics related to the academics.
Right.
So this is a pleasure. Yeah.
You are welcome, sir.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, good day.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Good day.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.